Hi, smart marketers. Welcome to my Ads Mastermind BD YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to set up cash on delivery payment method on a WordPress website. So let's get it started. First, the backend of website type slash and WP admin right besides your website URL slash WP admin. Then you click enter button. When you click your enter button, you will reach the backend of your website like this. And here you can see the WooCommerce section. And this you do not see this WooCommerce section. You will go plugin section. Click add new plugin. Then you search this box. Write cash one delivery. Cash one delivery. When you write cash on delivery, you can see this plugin, WooCommerce plugin, and it's see active because I activate it before, and you can see like install now. Then you click install now and activate. After activate this plugin, you go to WooCommerce again. When you go to WooCommerce section, you can click settings. And here you can many settings of your front side, general, product, shipping, payment, and you can select payments. After clicking payment, you scroll down, then you can see the section of cash on delivery, and click here to enable this. Then you click finish setup. When you click finish setup, you will see there are many steps in here, and you click here to enable cash on delivery. Then you can write title, description, instruction, etc. And enable for this shipping method, you select any from the three elements like flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. You can select anyone. So I can select free shipping and click here to accept COD, means cash on delivery. Then click save changes. When you click save changes, this settings is complete. After this complete settings, you can go your visit store to check your settings. Here many products, and click on any product. I click this, then I click add to cart, click view cart, scroll down and check out. When you click checkout, you will see this billing dashboard, and here you fill up this like first name, last name, company name, country name, as like I also do. After complete this information, I click place order. And finally, here you can see that your order is confirmed on cash on delivery, like this. So, by following these steps, you can enable cash on delivery payment system on WordPress website or WooCommerce website. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you very much.